Are you diabetic and looking for low-carb recipes? This video is for you. I'll share 10 delicious and healthy low-carb recipes that will help you control your blood sugar. Watch till the end to learn more. Hi everyone, I'm Jessie and you're watching Prime Wellness. Today we're talking about 10 amazing low-carb recipes for diabetics. These recipes are not only easy but also quick to make. Let's get started. 10 low-carb recipes for diabetics. 1. Spinach and paneer omelette. 2. Keto-friendly paratha, almond flour. 3. Broccoli and chicken stir-fry. 4. Cottage cheese and veggie rolls. 5. Moong dal chilla, high-protein pancake. 6. Zucchini noodles, healthy pasta alternative. 7. Egg and avocado salad. 8. Paneer tikka, grilled cottage cheese. 9. Keto-friendly soup, veggies plus protein. 10. Nuts and seeds mix, healthy snack. These recipes are not only low in carbs, but also rich in nutrients to keep your blood sugar stable. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel for more tips. Let me know in the comments which recipe you like the most. Until next time, stay healthy and happy.